They drift in the misty sea. No armor, no weapons. Just a small stone in hand and the heart of a warrior. Welcome to the world of sea otters. In the biting cold of the North Pacific Ocean,
where even the waves seem to tremble, sea otters still cradle their young. Each baby lies on its mother's belly. The only warm place in the frozen sea. Not all creatures know how to love, but these, they know how to hold on.
in the heart of the sea, they don't hunt with speed, but with patience. They crack open shells with stones, stash food in skin pouches beneath their arms, as if saving for tomorrow. No noise, no haste. They live slowly to survive. But the ocean isn't always gentle. During mating season, male sea otters turn aggressive. Battles for mates erupt among the waves. Some leave scars, some end in loss. Nature makes no room for the soft-hearted. Today, sea otters don't die from the waves. They die from oil spills, warming waters, and vanishing food. They sleep clutching their young as boats draw closer each year. Every oil slick, every net, a stolen dream. Yet in that world, hope remains.
Where people choose to protect, sea otters return, gliding gently, as if whispering that nature has not given up. If we look up from our screens and peer into the water, we might find a life staring back. They don't speak. They don't write. But each glance, each embrace, each hidden stone is an ancient language the ocean still remembers. Farewell from a world that doesn't need words, only to be heard.